Nibbles O'Hare retold by Jake Myers. Nibbles lived in an underground apartment. Every morning Nibbles stole food from a nearby restaurant. The owner got angry and put up help wanted signs. At that moment, the squirrel dropped out of the tree and introduced himself. The next morning there were enraged rabbits. They came on and ate Easter candy. One of the rabbits ate said he was painting cracked. At that moment the squirrel dropped out of the tree and introduced himself. A mean and tough rabbit picked up a help wanted sign of Nibbles. He showed all of the rabbits and they were all mad at Nibbles. They punished Nibbles by sliding him down mud. What happens next? Find out by checking Nibbles O'Hare out at the Hoover Library.